Hey everyone, I suffered from severe plantar fasciitis for 8 months. What's worse is I suffered from bilateral plantar fasciitis, which means I had pain in both feet and heels. I tried so many different techniques and strategies without noticing any improvements. So much so that I was beginning to think I wouldn't be able to walk without pain, let alone run or jump rope. Then one day I made a connection between a feat I had previously learned, the middle splits, and I applied those techniques to treating my plantar fasciitis. And within just a few days of this protocol, I noticed such great improvements that I was confident that I would make a quick recovery, so much so that I registered for a half marathon that was taking place just 15 days away. I completely eliminated my plantar fasciitis in only 14 days. I completed that half marathon completely pain-free, despite not having ran in 1 year. And actually today marks the 3-month period of completely eliminating my plantar fasciitis. So I want to have a little bit of fun. I want to do something that I couldn't do 8 months ago.